Hello everyone, welcome to this video. Today I'm going to show you how to install Void Linux with an encrypted disk. I'm going to do this in a VM and also show you how to customize XFCE because that's the version I'm going to use for this video. So let's open the virtual machine. Let's get to this and okay, start the kit. Let's do 2. Give it 15. Let's say 20. Okay, it's Void Linux and I'm going to do UEFI. Remove this tablet crap. Boot from the CD. Okay, let's begin. Okay, it started over here, so let's bring it over here. So go full screen. Of course, it's going to boot. Take this over there and okay, this is XFCE, so let's wait for it to completely start. And let's fix the resolution. It's 1920. Yeah. We want to keep that and close this. So let's open a terminal and yeah. Okay, as you can see here, we are logged in as unknown. So let's do sudo su and we are root. Yeah. Okay, let's fix the keyboard. Yeah, let me just fix the keyboard layout. Okay, that works. Let's do start bash. So to do this, you need to create partitions. So use fdisk or cfdisk, whatever. And we choose UEFI, so it's GPT. Going to create 2 partitions. One for the EFI part, it's the EFI partition, and one for the root partition. Of course, you can create a home partition, media partition, whatever. Type is UEFI, and then this one is going to be Linux file system, and we write the changes and we quit. If I do lsplk, as you can see, we have 2 partitions, VDA1, VDA2. Remember that the root partitions goes to VDA2. So let's do crypt setup lux format. and dash type. You can specify whatever type you want, like LUX2. Let's use just LUX1 and VDA, and remember that this is for the root partition. That means it's VDA2. So, and type yes uppercase, and the passphrase, I'm going to type a simpler one so I could remember it. Okay, that's cool. Now we need to open this device. Script Lux open and slash dev VDA2, and we need to call it something like call it whatever you want, RTB, and your passphrase. Okay, we need to create a volume group, so just do vg create, and we'll call it alpha b and slash dev mapper and alpha b. So it's created successfully, and I have the documentation beside in the other monitor, so I'm going to do lv create name. If you are creating a lot of partitions, so you have to name them this way. So I'm just using one partition, and I'm going to give it 100% of the free disk. Okay, so now we need to make the file system kfs xt4 and dash l root and slash dev alpha b and slash roots. Okay, now we need to let's make the let's format the EFI partition mkfs slash vfat slash dev vda1. Now we need to mount first dev and the root slash mnt, and we do the we need to create a directory for the EFI partition, and in slash mnt and the root EFI, and we need to mount that partition by vda1 slash mnt root EFI. Okay, if I do lsplk, as you can see, our EFI partition and slash mnt. Okay, let's do mkdir. We need to copy the keys var and db xpps keys, and let's copy slash var and db xpps keys and star for everything, and we are copying into slash mnt var the directory that we just created, db xpps keys. Okay, now we need to install the base system, so xpps install -sy and for r for repository https://repo default and void linux org current -r/mt, and we want to install the base system and LVM2 and encrypt setup and grab, and this is for EFI, so that x86 underscore 60, I think it's underscore, let me just, yeah, it's underscore 64 and dash EFI. Okay, that's basically it. So let's just hit enter. It's going to take some time to download all of that stuff, and I'll be back there. So the download is finished. So now let's do xroot. I'm going to root into /mnt. Let's start bash so we can have it. So now let's do shown root slash and 755, I think, yeah, and give her the root a password, root. Okay, and now we need to let's do use Vim or VI, whatever editor, and create a host name, or do a host name, change the host name to whatever you want the host name to be. Okay, that's the host name. So if you are using the glibc version, which is I am, you're going to have to do this next step. And if you are not, you are using the muscle, you don't have to do this. So /etc local, and just keep it, add your local over there. So also we need to edit the /etc defaults, libc locals, and add your or uncomment your local over there. Just look for the local you okay, and uncomment that, and we do xbps reconfigure and -f to force it glibc.local. Okay, now we need to do the fstab stuff. So use your editor and fstab. We need to add our devices /dev and root, and it's slash and type, which is ext4, and it's the defaults not default, and 0 0. Of course we need to add the EFI. You can add other devices if you have added the home partition swap, whatever. And DDA1, which is my EFI, and /boot /EFI, right. And it's vfat and default. And it's 0 0, and save that, quit, And now we need to edit grub. etc default grub, and uncomment or add. If it's not there, you just add it. Just grub and underscore enable underscore encrypt to disk and equals yes or y. Okay, and just save, quit, and now we need to know the ID of our device, or UUID, block ID, and show value -s UUID dev VDA1 VDA2 in this case. Okay, so we need to I need just to copy this, maybe, yeah, just copy it and add it to grub. In here, command after this one, so we're going to do rd.lvm vg and equals whatever you named it, and rd again dot lux and that UUID and equals the UUID that we copied. Okay, that's it, and save, quit. And so we need to generate a key. Just do dd_bs equals 1 and count equals 64, and it's the device, which is /dev view random, and up to /boot volume key. Okay, we need to add that key with lux add key /dev VDA1 /boot volume, and no, it's not that, it's VDA2, which is the, so type my passphrase. So now we need to change the permission for that key. Just type chmod volume key -r and then g-r read write execute and /boot. Okay, we need to add the key to the crypt tab. Just edit the crypt tab. Okay, so alpha d and dev VDA2 and okay, it's /boot volume key and Okay. So we need to add a line to dry cut. So etc, no, yeah, etc dry cut d and then dash conf and do install items, yes, plus equal plus equals and quotes /quote volume key and /etc/quick tab and space and quote. Save and quit. So now we need to install grub. So do grub install the VDA. Okay, because we have installed the grub x86-64-EFI, so just do this line. You don't need to do the target stuff. And the device is just VDA, SDA or NVMe. No need for the partitions. Okay, finished, no error reported. So now we need to reconfigure everything. -fa. Okay, now we could reboot the system, or we can do just the user. Let's add a user. Add -mg wheel to the wheel group, and the user is sh, and pass a password for that user. So retype the password. Okay, now we need to do editor, so we can give this user root permissions. So just go to the bottom of the file and uncomment this line. In my case, I'm going to uncomment this one, so I don't have to type my password a lot of times. So, okay, now we can exit. Okay, let me exit again and do umount and -r/mnt. Okay, and now we reboot. Okay, let's go full screen. Now we need to type our passphrase. Just type it, hit enter. Okay, we waited a bit of time, so we just hit enter. Okay, it's booting. So we forgot to install XFCE, so doesn't matter. So we log in as our user, and that's a password. We just do sudo sbts install -s, yeah, -s sy or su to update the system. Okay, network is down. Okay, let's do IPA. See, yeah, network is down. So let's do let me just exit and log in as root, so I can just load keys, because I forgot to set my keyboard keys. Okay, that's cool. So I'm just going to edit the etc. Now let's do dash etc and rc.conf, and add my keyboard over here, and let's keep the font because I'm gonna change it. So okay, let's do the what I wanted to do. Yeah, let's do the network etc sv dh dhcpcd and slash var services, and sv up dhcpcd. If I do IPA, as you can see, we are getting an IP address. Okay, we have network. So now we need to do xbps install -s su to update the system. Okay, the system is already up to date. So let's install XFCE 4 and XFCE 4-plugins. Okay, that should be, I need to install Git, of course, so we can get some wallpapers. Okay, let's do now, and then let me just install let me install a login manager or display manager called light DM, and also I'm going to install light dm-gtk and 3-greeter. Okay, and also install a browser, which is Chromium. Okay, that's it for now. So let's hit enter. Okay, let's go to download all of that stuff. So I'll be back when this finishes. Okay, the download is finished and installed all of that stuff, XFCE and XFCE plugins and all of that. So the thing I forgot is that XFCE does not come with Xorg, so I have to install it manually and also install base-devel. Install both of those and hit yes. So Xorg and base-devel got installed. So now we need to enable light DM. So just do again -s and /etc sv light DM and /var service. Okay, and now we need to reboot, or it's just started automatically. So let's just log in. Okay. So let's fix the resolution. What is that? 1920, no, 19. Apply and keep this config. Start the terminal. Let's zoom in. Okay. So I'm going to install a couple of things so we can icons, themes, and all of that. So sudo xbps install -s Yeah, let me just fix the keyboard again. Settings, keyboard, layout, and I don't want to use that. Yeah, okay, just French. Remove this. Okay, yeah, dash S, and going to install Breeze and Breeze dash icons, and copy plus dash folder and copy and dash icon theme, and we need to install mugshot. I'll show you why I installed that. Nemo, which is a file manager, and a Plata theme. And we need to install light dm-gtk and greater settings, so we can customize light dm too. That's it. Let's enter. Okay, it's going to download all of that stuff. So that stuff installed. Now we can do the customization. So let's get started. So let's go to Settings Manager and click on this About Me, and that's why I installed Mugshot. So need to get some pictures first. So let's get the clone depth. I'm going to clone my wallpapers repository. Not the file wall. Okay, in the meantime, so let's go to appearance, and I'm going to use Plata Noir. Okay, as you can see, the theme changed, and the icons I'm going to use Papyrus, and okay, and font. Okay, let's download. Okay, let me download the font. So let's go to web browser, internet, Chromium. So the font I'm going to download is called VCR OSD Mono font. Yeah, let's go here. Hope we can download it. Yes, download. There's the download button, so it's downloaded. It's a zip file. So let's go to terminal, see downloads, unzip, whatever. Yeah. Okay, ls, and we have that. So let's copy that to our fonts. Using /user share fonts. Okay, and we need sudo for that because I want to use this font on the system. So I'll copy it. So let's do fc-cache -fd to update the cache. So now let's do the font and type PC. Okay, I have to restart the application. Close and do it again. Hopefully this time with Settings Manager and appearance. Yeah, let's do VC. Yeah, regular, and let's use 12. Yeah, as you can see, the font changed, and again. Regular 12. Okay. Okay, and that's it. Settings, I don't need to change anything there. So let me do clipboard, sync this one, and action, no. Okay, close. Desktop, let's change the wallpaper and go to the one I downloaded, other, and home, wall, and this one, this directory. So I'm going to use this one. So let's go back, and file manager. Okay, file manager. How do I change the file manager? Okay, it's not this one. Close this. Okay, skip this, window manager. Okay, window manager, I need to change the theme to the one I used, Plata. As you can see, it changed. And the font as well, we see. And okay, let's use bold one this time. Use 11. Okay. And I don't want to use this. Not that one. I don't care about it. And title is in the left. Okay. Keyboard. Let's go keyboard. Okay, you can change this. Okay, let's just go back. Can go to window manager, tweaks, no, terminal. Okay, I want to customize this terminal. Scroll bar, I don't care for that. Cursor, I-beam. Okay, blinking cursor, yes. Automatically copy to the clipboard. Okay, no need to change anything. Let's make this terminal show up a little bit bigger. I'm going to 33. And okay, just keep the background as it is. Font, let's see, regular. Let's make it big, just 14. Okay, that's too big, so I'm going to fix that. Okay. Yeah, use middle mouse to open your auto hide. Yeah. Cool, and we close this. So let's close this terminal. Close. Okay. If I open a new line, it's going to have my settings. And I forgot to hide this thing. Okay. So where is it? Click on this again. Scroll. Where is it at? Always keep. Yeah, display menu bar. Just make this a little bit bigger. So close and open in terminal again. Okay, as you can see, I customized the terminal. Okay, so now we go to where light DM. Okay, we need to type our password, and it's going to open this theme, Plata Noir, icon Papyrus, and font is VCR. Let's use bold and make it big, 14. And this one I'm going to change to icon. Let it load because it's loading. So I'm going to look for void. Let's just go to the bottom. I'm going up or down? Yeah, going up. So let's go down where it says come on. Yeah, I'm going to choose this one or this one. So okay, panel. I'm going to move this. Just keep it there and next. Okay, that's good. So save, close. Okay, everything. Settings editor. Okay, that's not important. Okay, let's go. Okay, let's close this. So now we need to do panels and panel performance and items. I'm going to remove this one because I added the whisker menu. So just add and we whisker this one, add, close, and it's in the bottom. So let's move it up top. Okay, that's cool. Appearance, yeah, that's cool. Display. All right, so close. Now we right click, property, and okay, let's keep that, all that stuff. I'm going to change the icon. Look for void. Use this one and okay. And not have a name or a title. Okay. I'm going to leave everything as it is. Save and okay, let's edit desktop settings, menu, icons. I don't want to have home or anything in there. So, all right, and okay, let's close this and this one. I'll just keep the terminal because. So now we just reboot, sudo reboot, and see what happens. Type our passphrase. Okay, I hit enter. Okay, it should bring us to LightDM. Okay, that's LightDM, that's great. Type our password and hit enter. Yeah. Okay, we are in XFCE. So let's change this cursor over here. So just settings and I think it's appearances, maybe. No, I don't think that was it. Maybe it's something else. Graphics. Let's do settings and let's change first the file manager. Browser, it's Chromium. Mail reader, don't care about that. Let's change it to Nemo. Okay. Terminal, that's it. Okay. Close this and open, find how to change this cursor. Tweaks, settings editor, mouse touchpad. Okay, let's go to settings manager. I think I saw it somewhere. Window manager, tweaks. It's not appearance, maybe it's appearance. Okay. No, that's not the one. Maybe it's see window manager tweaks. No, that's not it. Maybe mouse touchpad. Yeah, it's this one. Let's use breeze. Okay, that's cool. Okay, and there you have it. So I customized XFCE and installed Void with an encrypted disk. So if I do LSBRK, as you can see. So thank you for watching, and see you in the next video.